Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change shape fill on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any document. You can see in my document a shape is already inserted. If you want to change your shape fill, just select your shape at first, and then after select the shape you can find shape format tab. That's it. After that, on the shape style option you can see shape fill option, then just click here and that's it. Now from here you can change your shape fill. Here you can see so many colors and you can choose any color as you like. If you want to set this shape fill, just select it and it's done. You can see your shape fill has been changed successfully. If you want to get more colors, just click here again and then click on more fill colors, and that's it. Here you can see two options, standard and custom, and you can choose any color from standard and custom. You have to just select standard and then choose any color and then click on OK, and that's it. And that is how you can change shape fill or shape color on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.